Hi friends, as a WordPress website owner, we are having multiple plugins at our WordPress installations. Whenever we wish to have a feature at our website, we start looking and searching for a suitable plugin. But there is always a problem while selecting and using any particular plugin for getting the certain feature at our website. We never know which plugin is going to be best, which plugin is going to be suitable, secure, and which one is being used by others for the same purpose. So how you will decide which plugin is good for your WordPress website or which plugin can even hamper your website? So in this video, I'm going to show you a solution where you can find which plugin is going to be perfect for your website. And this is a website, in fact, where you can find all the good plugins, all the great WordPress plugins, and you can find the rankings of plugins which are being used and being appreciated and rated by other existing users. So you can find plugins, you can decide plugin using this website called wp-rankings.com. In short, I'm going to show you what is available on this website so that you may be familiar and start using this website. First of all, you can search your plugins, whatever you are willing to select. I mean, if you have already filtered a plugin, you can type the name of plugin here and you can search the rank. Second thing, you can find the top 50, even the rank wise filtration and active installation filtration you can apply on this page. So top 50 plugins that are being ranked can be seen on this screen simply by clicking on the ranking tab, like I clicked. This is the top 50 ranking climbers, and you can find the name of plugins here and further more details, like if you are looking for WP Speed of Light, it is a very wonderful plugin and we are using this plugin. So the next milestone can be seen here, a plugin rank, the active installs, downloads, and the ratings. And the great thing is that you can directly reach to the WordPress org through the link available on this page, and you can see the graph. You can directly go to the WordPress org or the plugin developer website, plugin author website, and you can see the overall ranking, how many 5-star and star ratings the particular plugin has got, and how many downloads have been done in last 15 days, so that you may very clear what is the status of plugin, what is the security status, and what are the rest of things about the plugin that you can select or you are going to select. So it is very important to choose a suitable plugin, secure plugin, updated plugin for every WordPress website. This is very important, and I always used to say, don't install plugins just for checking, and you are going to get additional tables in the database whenever you are installing a plugin, and after even you remove the plugin, uninstall the plugin, the database traces remains there. So don't install any plugin just for testing purpose without knowing its features, what actually you are going to get. And we are always available to provide you suitable information regarding any plugin, any theme, and you can explore the themes, plugins on this channel. And I believe you are already a subscriber. If you are not a subscriber, you may consider subscribing this channel, because I am selecting best of the WordPress things on this channel and only bringing the tested elements for you. So this is the website where you can find everything, like if you are typing for image, like image resize requirement may be yours. So if you are looking a plugin for image resize, so these are the plugins available for image resizing. You can see for every simple work you can find number of multiple plugins, and there are multiple plugins which you can choose, but which one is suitable you can find here. And you can find the ranking, the stats, everything that you need to know for installing any plugin. So top 10 plus installs and all these things about rankings and all these things can be seen, and for the filtration may be applied. So you can check the search value, change the search value, like Elementor website builder, more than just a plugin. Elementor is very popular plugin. You can see all the stats and the plugin rank is one. So must have those plugins, that those having good rankings on this page, and it is really very important to choose a perfect plugin. So before installing any plugin, just check whether the plugin is suitable for you on the wp-rankings.com. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.